Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I am down in a crawl space in Lewis, Delaware that we just finished. I'm going to walk you guys through what the end product looks like. If you're thinking about improving your indoor air quality and want a dry home that has less pests and better energy efficiency and more conditioned storage space, please give us a call. But let me flip this camera around and walk you through what this crawl space encapsulation looks like. We think that you're going to love it. All right, so here we are. Here's the sub pump. If you can hear that running, we just kicked that on, and we have our smart outlet up there. And that will tell you how many cycles, how long it's running, and make sure that the pump constantly runs 24/7. You have an actual monitoring system. So if that something goes wrong with the sub pump, you get immediate text message alert, and we can get that fixed before it turns out to be a big problem. But it's raining outside right now, and there's a ton of water entering that and being evacuated out. But just wanted to show you what a proper sub pump install looks like. And that's completely sealed off. That way there's no chance of moisture coming up from the crawl space, or from the ground into the crawl space. So here is the actual encapsulation. There's drainage run all the way around the perimeter here that leads back to this sub pump. Make sure all the water gets out of here. Previously, there was a mold remediation done here by another company because there was a water damage upstairs that affected the crawl space, and the customer didn't want to have more moisture problems after they did that remediation. So that's when they called us to get everything taken care of. But here's our HydroSeal vapor barrier, completely installed, super thick, insulated. Take you through, show you what the actual job looks like. So you see there's a termite inspection gap all the way around the perimeter. Vents are sealed. Termite inspection gap is extremely important, so you can see termite shelter tubes to make sure the pest control company can uphold their warranty. So we have inspection gap on our columns. We have our April Air 1850 dehumidifier. We also have our sensor here with a leak detection that is in that entire white rope there. Number one place that something's going to go wrong in an encapsulation is usually the condensate pump would fail. So hit that leak detector, send us an alert as well. But that leak detector also tells us the temperature, humidity, and things of that nature. So it's got a hygrometer built into it as well. So again, all the moisture air is coming in from this side of the crawl space. We dump the hot and dry air down at the opposite side. That's what this non-insulated ducting is for. Make sure you can see what this part of the job looks like. And it is almost like a skating rink out here. Relative humidity was about 45% when we came in, but had the door open for a little bit talking to the customer. So right now it's 53. That will drop back down. And if you are looking to have your crawl space encapsulated and you want a true professional job done that will last forever, call the professionals at H2O Pro 302, or actually now HydroHero, at 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at waterandmoldpros.com. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.